gonna take some measurements to build a piece to avoid further leaks within this area. We already sealed it underneath, which is very good, but we're gonna make like an additional exhaust to make sure that there will be no more water coming in. The next task is going to be to handle all this rubber, which is completely rotten, and to fix this window so they don't leak inside and don't damage anything anymore, just like this one that is perfect. I'm so happy for this window, and hopefully these ones are also going to end up being the same. Underneath here we're going to need to do some deep cleaning, definitely, on the outside. Here I got to do some sanding or get myself a new door because it's kind of rusty here. Let's see how it goes. It looks like sand will be the best choice. Moving forward, what I found out today is that the water damage that took place from the door, because I already checked the exhaust on top, has actually damaged, completely damaged the entire cabin 3 area, which means that I have to take them down. So we'll be working on that when we're in Miami.